Fight! And we're back with Driving Line Driver Battle Episode 9. Today, we got Mang T and his 1995 Acura Integra.
Correct.
Against Damn Gina, aka Gina Miller, and her 2006
Honda S2000.
Polar Premium before Race Wars. Mang, what do we got done to your car today? Walk us through it.
We're running with stock V20 out of a CRV. It has basic bolt-ons, intake header exhaust on function form Type 2 coilovers, and NT01s.
Any VTEC on that V20?
Non-VTEC.
Wow,
Yeah.
That's pretty gutsy to take a non-VTEC.
That is. I was scared to bring it.
Any LSD?
No LSD. I'm running a stock LS Trans.
Wow, so stock, bolt-ons, some aero work.
That's it.
Gina, tell us about your car.
So we are pretty much stock. I have an intake exhaust, test pipe, and a tune on Hondata. And we are on Tane coilovers.
Okay.
And Nitto NT01s.
What about aero work?
Ooh, okay, so I have a garage-made splitter.
Okay.
And some questionable diffusers and some other goodies.
Okay.
But other than that, we were pretty stock.
You got them on there.
They're on there.
Nice.
We hope so.
So you guys may be wondering, why would we pick a B20 swapped Integra, not B18, non-VTEC, against a Honda S2000? Ask any Integra owner, they'll tell you it's the greatest car ever made. And so now it's up to him to prove it. Don't lose today,
I know,
my friend.
I'm trying not to.
No, but really, the Integra was one of the fastest front-wheel drive cars ever made, and it's been known to upset a lot of cars in the field. So we wanted to put it up against something a little bit more modern with a little bit more horsepower. Here comes you. So let's walk me through the reasons why both of you guys bought your cars.
I feel like it's a good daily car that you can just take out. I wanted a budget build that you can track on weekends and beat on, not worry about. And so far it's holding up.
Nice. What about you, Gina?
Ooh, I always wanted an S2000. Been through a couple front-wheel drive cars, and I always wanted rear-wheel drive. And I wanted to go topless, right? So I ended up with a Honda 2000.
Nice. You have a hardtop on it today, right?
I do, but I can
Nice.
quickly go topless.
Okay. How long have you had your S2000 for?
I've had it for almost 2 years now.
Wow. Have you taken it to the track before?
Yes, I have.
Okay. Have you taken it to this track?
No, this is the first time at Chuckwalla, so it's very interesting.
What do you think about the track so far?
Oh, I love the track, actually.
Nice.
I'm pretty stoked on it. The bowl's sick.
What about you, Mang? Have you taken the Integra to the track before?
I have.
Oh, nice. Not this track.
Not this track. This is my first time out here.
Nice.
And it's an awesome track.
So, have either of you driven on Nitto NT01s before?
I have.
I have not.
Or what do you think?
Oh, I love them. That's why I'm liking the track so much.
It's all on the tires.
Yeah.
Right? All right, so for those of you just tuning in, we run our driver battles time attack style. That means both competitors have all day to get the fastest time. They're not gonna be running door to door. We don't want any of that. We just wanna give them as much track and as much time to get as fast as possible. So we're gonna save the time till the end of the day and let you guys know who won. So sadly, I can't tell you how you're doing, but it's gonna be a close battle. Nice. Well, you guys have met the competitors. You found out a little bit about their cars. Let's see if they can take it to the track and click off some time, shall we? May the best driver win.
Let's do
That
it.
one's on.
the time of 2:15037. Who do you think took that time? 2:15037.
I hope I'm under 220.
Okay.
Probably me.
You think it's you? Okay, that's Meng's time. 2:15037. Really respectable for how many horsepower?
130.
130. And some aero.
Yeah.
And no VTEC.
Right.
Okay, Gina.
Ooh.
So I gotta say, first of all, holy cow, what an improvement throughout the day. Like, unbelievably faster and faster and faster. For the time of 2:1:9.4. Meng takes the victory.
You deserve it,
She
dude.
took it easy on me.
I did.
So what was it? What gave your car the advantage?
I got used to the track pretty quick. After a few sessions, it felt pretty good, and I could attack different corners, and I felt like I dropped time every session.
Earlier today, you said your horsepower was just enough that you could keep it flat-footed.
Right.
Was that the case?
It was.
Nice. Was your horsepower getting you in trouble?
I think it's more the kicking out that's gonna be in trouble.
Nice.
But I had a good time out there for sure.
Yeah, awesome. Do you guys want to do this again?
Of course.
Next time you guys trade cars.
Heck yes, I am.
Maybe the
counting
FRS
in.
versus the CTR.
FRS. Yours
Yes.
is boosted, right?
Boosted.
CTR's boosted.
CTR's boosted.
There it
Let's
is.
do it.
It might be another front-wheel drive versus rear-wheel drive battle.
Count me in.
So again, if you guys think you can best it, and you got a time attack car you want to put to the track, or any car, let us know in the comments. We'll get you out there.